I am Levi Fuju.
I am the untouchable one himself.
The past, the present, and the future of this industry.
You know what UBW stands for? Untouchable Backyard Wrestling. It only makes sense that the untouchable one is the Untouchable Backyard Wrestling Champion.
I may not be the strongest guy or the biggest guy.
I don't care who it is. You get in the back, you complain you ain't getting a shot because you ain't good enough.
Damn it, I am sick of everyone looking over me.
Now I'm sick of guys like Levi Fuju. He says he's the underdog, that people are overlooking him. You know why they're looking over him? Get on a damn step ladder and then talk to me.
I want the Untouchable One for a championship match.
Get in the back of the line.
I'm here to fight,
Well, brother, you get your ass over here and you fight me.
and I'm here to win.
Levi Fuju, get on a damn step ladder if you want to see eye to eye with me.
I heard in the back what you were saying about me.
Yeah? You're a punk. You're a jabroni and a fool and you ain't doing nothing about it.
What, you telling me to get a step
Let's
ladder?
get the hell out of my face.
I will not give up. What's that?
What?
You're gonna have to kill me to beat me.
As I was saying, the You want a championship match? Fine!
And that's what happens. I am Levi Fuju, and this is what I do.
Ring the bell! Be careful what you wish for. Please, any comments whatsoever? Mr. Fuju, before you leave the arena, you have any comments?